Hey guys, welcome back to the videos. Sorry about the wait. I should be doing some polar pops today. Get me started. We're gonna go ahead. My hair's a mess. Nice. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do a clean today of my car, and also we are going to do some taillights. So, sorry about all the sweatiness here. It's just blazing hot out here. It's like 90 degrees pretty much. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Stick around, and again, sorry for the wait, guys. I didn't know it was gonna be this long of a wait for a video. I was busy, Austin's busy, Steve's busy. I mean, pretty much everybody's busy right now for this COVID-19 shit. So, but let's go ahead, start this video out real quick, and we'll get her done. As you guys can see, this really does need to look at that. Oh, look at that bird crap. Ugh. This thing really needs a wash. It's bird crap there. So, like I said, this is my daily driver, so it's not really been kept, especially during winter. But that's pretty much what happens when you don't have a goddamn cover for your car. So you can't really go ahead and cover up your car from stuff. So let's go get some Colins. One trip. Nice car, man. Ooh, looks good. There we go. Sort of. There we go. Get all of this sorts cleaned up. All this crap off the car. There we go. Go away, bugs and turds and everything else. Top of that. There you go. I really don't like this handle because it's leaking. Okay, guys, and that's how you do it. You see, pretty clean. I mean, besides all the rocks and chips, but pretty good. So we'll go ahead and get this done. Just fair warning, if you guys ever do want to do this, go ahead and do not use that. Use that. You're going to scratch a paint. It's actually micro scratches, so you won't really notice it. So, Sorry. Felt like something just flew in there. Okay, let's get her out real quick and we'll see what we can do. Whew. Okay, guys. She's all cleaned up. Ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and get going here. And get home real fast and then we'll get those lights installed, okay? Hey guys, welcome back. That was pretty easy transition, hopefully. Okay guys, well we got her back. She's all detailed up. Actually, it's about mirror finish. So definitely the windows are. So we're gonna go ahead. And these are pretty good right now. So not really anything that is worried about it. Looks like the only thing we really have to do is those two screws right there and that'll pop right out. Speaking of those lights, let me see. These are actually the first time I'm actually seeing these. So, oh mama. Ooh, that is really packaged. Damn. That's really good. So I got these from Speedline. So we're not sponsoring them or anything, but give us a direction and a pin, looks like. And it looks like there's two of them. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and let's get this started real quick. Hopefully it shouldn't be too bad. Okay, guys. Looks like two bolts are out. Now, the only thing where it looks like we really have to do. Ooh, there we go. Oh. Give me just a minute. So, hoping what they're going to look like inside here. I'm guessing the LEDs are already set up. To accept these already. So, here we go. Oh my god, I'm going to try not to get fingerprints on this. Ooh! Yeah. You guys see that? Got like a C shape. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's got a C shape. It's got a C style. Plus, it's like gills on the side. Then we got two lights on the bottom here. But we got LEDs right up in there. So she's gonna look really good. Okay. Let's go ahead. Let's get these installed. Oh. Also, this is what the back looks like. Like I said, ready to go. These are already, oh, these are all clogged up. Nice. Actually helps a lot. Well, it is now. So, what's this? Ooh. Okay. That's the right hand side. So, okay, let's get it. Okay, it looks like, as you guys can see, we have a good amount of ideas here, and actually holes. Now this actually says with marker, or without with. So we do have the one with it. So we are literally taking everything off of this. And I think the only thing that we are going to change from this is actually this one right here, which that is where this is going to come in play. So this plugs into this, and then we have a way of actually plugging it into this. So I just twist it. Okay, so just want to explain that to you guys. Let's go ahead and get that onto here. Oh, I like this. This is, oh, okay. If anybody has, I believe it's like 2015 to 17 Subaru Impreza, and you're wanting to get better looking lights, oh, buddy, trust me. Ready for this? Ready? She looks so much better. Like, I was shocked a little bit. It changes it completely almost. Oh. I mean, granted, the center, the third light there is, you know, red, but damn, it's still subtle enough to be. Ooh, man, I mean, look at that. Look at that. You can even see the little bit inside there. The side markers there. Let's seriously, man, look. Oh, man, that looks so good. Ah. Okay, I'm completely happy with this. 100%. Recommend it for anybody that has this car. I swear. Okay. Okay, guys. Well, I'm happy to get rid of these kind of stock looking, I would say not old, but semi-old lights. Get some new ones. Oh, I can't stop staring at. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Y'all have fun. Take good. If you guys want to, like it. If not, I don't care. I really don't. I'm just experiencing this with you guys. Honestly, this is what I've always wanted to do. So, I've always wanted to actually mod up my car. So, oh, and just to let you know, there is a little bit of a fitment here. I mean, just you can kind of see a little bit right here. It's actually right about here. It's a little bit more of a gap, which this side does it too. So I'm assuming that it's a factory type of thing. So I did find it for a XV Crosstrack, which is kind of the same thing as mine, but just lifted. So we'll go ahead, and I have tons more to do. So I still have suspension I'm doing. I have engine parts that are coming in. I also have body work that I have to get done now. So I will see you guys in the future. Hopefully it won't take as long to get these videos out. Please bear with us. We're all working right now. We're all trying to get around this coronavirus stuff. So just stay with us. We're getting to it. So thank you all that are subscribed. If you want to subscribe, you can. Honestly, I'm not going to be one of those people that are trying to get you to, you know, do anything. You do what you need to do. Not going to stop you. So, but, okay, well, y'all have a good day. Be good. Stay safe. Don't get corona. Stay at home. Have fun. Watch these videos. Leave a like if you want. It would help us out if you want. I don't care. So, okay, bye.